will be possible here.
Unong alam kasing BJP ubalong ru menteri kabinet ba Alexander Laluhek ulapan pau ya kajing sungutik na bakaseng BJP kan sathau sarkar piang hakari hadien ke election house nam ar hajar apsau da kabaong ru bakaseng jong u kan sapenmi ya ki kertong na baro art ligi sit kata na shlong batura uba hek ulapan pau ba Narendra Modi unyai long hi menteri rong ba do kari hakani ka kenti ulai wer ya baro kinong tap vote ban tap ya ki vote jong ki hakaseng National Party kum ke BJP Shushu uba hek ulang bakit khot jong sarkar sunrop lang MDA baar kum ke NPP bat ke UDP ru kin sapen mi ialah ki jong ki kertang hak election parliament kum balong hak por baladap.
For the parliament elections, both for the one Shillong parliamentary constituency and the two Tura parliamentary constituency, the BJP is going to set up the candidate. Anybody contesting, whether in the state elections or the parliament election, everybody want to win the elections. I think everybody will put up candidate. I saw that NPP also they said that they will put up candidate. I saw the UDP also they said they will put up the candidate because they have been putting all through all the elections the candidate. Even the last concluded state election also, all the party they had set up their own candidate to fight each other on the MDA partners.